Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Do this now. Stop and confirm you have explicit authorization to access the encrypted video. You need written permission or a legal order period. Once authorized, record who approved access, date, and purpose. Keep a chain of custody log. Make a verified copy of the encrypted file and work only on that copy, so the original remains pristine. This prevents accidental data loss and protects you legally. Make sure to store copies on separate media and verify checksums before proceeding. Next, focus on context and non-technical routes to access. You should gather metadata, timestamps, file size, device model, and any related unencrypted files that prove ownership or intent. Contact the file owner, administrator, or service provider to request keys or lawful assistance. Official recovery channels often exist and avoid risky workarounds. Once done, collate signed statements and any supporting evidence. Make sure to store everything securely. This documentation can substitute for invasive actions and often resolves access legally and efficiently. Finally, pursue sanctioned recovery options rather than guessing at technical breaks. You should request key recovery or escrow from the service provider. Many systems have documented recovery flows. If providers cannot help, hire certified digital forensics professionals who follow court-admissible procedures. This ensures evidence integrity. Once recovery is attempted, preserve logs and report steps taken. If you encounter denial or obstruction, stop and consult legal counsel immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.